super excited today. Granny Square. I'm going to show you how to make one of these. Super simple for beginners. Let's get into it. Today all we're going to need is a pair of scissors, 5mm hook, and some worsted weight yarn. Start with a slip knot. Let's move our scissors out. Start with a slip knot. Now we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Insert your hook into the very last chain or very first chain, depending on how you look at it. And we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, pull it through, slip stitch made, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and put 2 more double crochets into the loop we just made. Now remember guys, your chain 3 will always count as your first double crochet. Now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to put 3 more double crochets into that center loop. 1, 2, 3. Now we've got 2 sets of 3. We're going to chain 2 more, 1, 2, add 3 more double crochets into that loop. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 2, 1, 2, add 3 more. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and we're going to connect these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of 3 double crochets together by putting our hook into the top of that first chain 3. And we're going to pull through and create a slip stitch. If it looks all bulky and stuff, you can grab your tail end and give it a little tug and it'll close it up nicely. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is a little trick I learned. So you yarn over and you go back through here. There's no slip stitching to the next chain 2 space. 1, 2, chain 1, 3 double crochets into this chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3 more into that same space right here. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over into this chain 2 space that you just finished making. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1 to move over to our next space, insert hook, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 to move over to our next space, 3, 2, 3 double crochets in that one, and chain 1, move us over again to our last one. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2. We're going to right here at this top chain 3, and we're going to pull through, create a slip stitch. We've done 1, 2, 3 rows. It's customary to stop at 5 rows, but you can go as far as you want. You can make a blanket. Just keep repeating that same pattern until your desired size. And tell you what, sky's the limit. Here we are, last space. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, insert and pull through, and oh, little tight there. Watch your tension, guys. There. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got one more row left. I'm going to finish this last row. And feel free to leave a comment or a like, just so that I know that people are watching. Our last row here, we're going to go all the way around to this point here, right here, and then we'll finish off. And when we do, maybe we'll make some more. Our second to last 3 double crochets plus the chain 1. We're going into the last loop here. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 2. 1, 2. And instead of this here, the top of the chain 3, we're going to insert that into our first double crochet. We're going to pull through, make a slip stitch, just like that. Chain 2, 1, 2. Grab our trusty old scissors here. I'm going to clip that. I'm going to pull it. And we're going to give it a tug. Now it's got a nice knot in there, and it's fairly small, so it'll be hidden fairly well. So there you go, guys. Your very first granny square.